The Toyota Supra A90, introduced in 2019, is a powerhouse that blends thrilling performance with sleek design. It's a dream for enthusiasts and drivers alike, boasting a 3.0-liter turbocharged engine and sharp handling. But no car, no matter how legendary, is without its faults. The Supra A90 is no exception. Whether you're considering buying one or you already own one, being aware of the common issues can help you stay ahead of potential problems. Today, we'll break down the top 10 key issues with the Toyota Supra A90J29 and how to detect them early. Let's get started. 10. Excessive tire wear. Excessive tire wear is a common issue reported by Toyota Supra A90 owners due to its high-performance design, which encourages aggressive driving. The Supra's powerful engine and precise handling capabilities make it ideal for fast cornering and high-speed driving. But these driving habits can lead to premature tire wear, especially on the rear tires. Aggressive cornering, rapid acceleration, and underinflated tires often contribute to this problem. To prevent excessive tire wear, it's crucial to maintain proper tire pressure. Check tire pressure regularly to ensure it meets the manufacturer's recommendations. Uneven tire wear can also occur if the tires are not rotated frequently. Regular tire rotations, as part of the vehicle's maintenance schedule, help ensure even wear across all tires. In addition to these maintenance practices, adjusting driving habits can significantly extend tire life. Avoid aggressive acceleration, hard cornering, and driving at high speeds for extended periods. Following these simple steps can help you maintain the Supra's tire health and performance for longer periods. 9. Infotainment system glitches. Many owners of the Toyota Supra A90 have reported occasional glitches in the infotainment system. Issues such as freezing screens, slow responses, and connection failures with Bluetooth and smartphones are not uncommon. While the system is generally well regarded, the complexity of modern infotainment can sometimes lead to bugs or malfunctions. Start by ensuring the software is up to date. Toyota frequently releases updates for their infotainment systems to improve functionality and fix bugs. If issues persist, try resetting the system or disconnecting and reconnecting your phone. In extreme cases, the infotainment system might need a full replacement, but that's rare and can be avoided with regular software checks. 8. Suspension noises. Some owners have reported hearing strange noises coming from the suspension, especially when driving over bumps or uneven roads. These sounds may include creaks, clunks, or rattles, and they are typically caused by worn suspension components such as shock absorbers, bushings, or control arms. If you start hearing these noises, it's a good idea to have your suspension inspected by a professional. They will check the shock absorbers, bushings, and other suspension components for wear or damage. Replacing worn parts or lubricating the suspension can solve these issues and restore ride quality. 7. Leaking oil. Oil leaks are a common issue in many cars, and the Toyota Supra A90 is no exception. Some owners have reported seeing oil spots or low oil levels in the engine. Leaks are often caused by faulty gaskets or seals, which are designed to prevent oil from leaking out of the engine. To detect oil leaks early, regularly check your oil levels and look for oil spots under the vehicle. If you notice any leaks, inspect the valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, and other seals around the engine. If any of these seals are damaged, they will need to be replaced. It's important to address oil leaks promptly, as they can lead to engine damage if left unchecked. 6. Brake fade. Given the Supra A90's performance-focused nature, brake fade can be a concern for some owners. Brake fade occurs when the braking system loses its effectiveness, especially after hard braking or frequent use. This can be due to overheating brake pads, worn-out rotors, or old brake fluid. To avoid brake fade, ensure your brake pads and rotors are in good condition. If you're using the car for high-performance driving, consider upgrading to high-performance brake pads. Regularly change your brake fluid to ensure optimal performance. If you notice any signs of brake fade, such as a spongy pedal or reduced braking power, have your brakes inspected immediately. 5. Turbocharger issues. The Supra A90 is equipped with a turbocharged inline-6 engine, which provides excellent performance. However, turbocharged engines can face their own set of issues, including turbo lag, whistle sounds, or even a loss of power due to turbocharger failure. If you experience a lack of power or strange noises coming from the engine, it's a good idea to inspect the turbocharger. Regular maintenance, such as checking oil levels and changing the oil filter, can help keep the turbocharger in good shape. Additionally, ensure the air intake system is clean and clear of debris to avoid clogging the turbo. If the turbo is damaged, it may need to be replaced. 4. Transmission problems. Some owners have reported issues with the automatic transmission in the Toyota Supra A90. These issues typically involve delayed shifting, rough gear changes, or hesitation when accelerating. These problems can stem from low transmission fluid levels, transmission control module issues, or wear on the clutch. If you notice any issues with shifting or acceleration, start by checking the transmission fluid level and ensuring it's within the recommended range. If the fluid is dirty or low, a fluid change may be necessary. If the issue persists, have the transmission control module checked for faults. In more serious cases, the transmission may need to be repaired or replaced. 3. Overheating. Overheating is another issue that can affect any high-performance vehicle, including the Supra A90. Overheating can occur due to a malfunctioning radiator, broken thermostat, or low coolant levels. If the engine gets too hot, it can cause serious damage, including warped pistons or a blown head gasket. To prevent overheating, regularly check your coolant levels and ensure the cooling system is functioning properly. Inspect the radiator for any signs of damage or leaks, and ensure the thermostat opens and closes as it should. If you notice any warning lights or unusual temperature readings on the dashboard, pull over and let the engine cool down before further driving. 2. Fuel system problems. Some owners of the Supra A90 have reported problems with the fuel system, such as poor fuel economy or a rough idle. These issues are often caused by dirty fuel injectors, a clogged fuel filter, or a faulty fuel pump. Start by checking the fuel filter and replacing it if it's clogged. If the problem persists, have the fuel injectors cleaned or replaced. It's also important to use high-quality fuel to prevent contaminants from entering the fuel system. If you notice a drop in fuel economy or engine hesitation, have the fuel system checked by a professional. 1. Engine misfires. The most critical issue that can arise with the Toyota Supra A90 is engine misfires. Misfires can cause rough idling, poor acceleration, and a decrease in overall performance. This issue can be caused by faulty spark plugs, ignition coils, or a malfunctioning fuel system. To detect and fix engine misfires, start by checking the spark plugs and ignition coils for any signs of wear. If the plugs are dirty or worn out, replace them. If the ignition coils are malfunctioning, they may need to be replaced as well. Regular maintenance, such as changing spark plugs and inspecting the ignition system, can help prevent engine misfires from occurring. The Toyota Supra A90 is a stunning sports car that combines world-class performance with a striking design. However, like any high-performance vehicle, it's important to be aware of potential issues to keep it running smoothly. From tire wear and suspension noises to engine misfires and turbocharger problems, early detection and prompt maintenance are key to ensuring your Supra stays in top condition. By following the tips we've discussed today, you can minimize the risk of major problems and keep your Supra performing at its best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on car maintenance. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.